How to create a new board in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com dashboard. Log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the home page. 2. Click on Plus Add button. On the left sidebar, find the Add button and click it to create a new board. 3. Choose a board type. Select whether you want a public, private, or shareable board based on your needs. 4. Name your board. Enter a descriptive name that matches the purpose of the board. 5. Pick a template or start blank. Choose a pre-designed template for faster setup or start from scratch. 6. Add columns and groups. Customize your board by adding different columns like status, date, people, and numbers. 7. Invite team members. Click on the invite button to add team members and start collaborating.